Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss finding Laplace transform of convolution integral, integration of t minus u sine 2u du between 0 to t. Means what? Here we need to find, we are finding Laplace transformation of this, that integral, given integral, that is t minus u into sine 2u du. Fine. Okay. So we are finding Laplace transformation of this between 0 to t. Here this will be a value of u. But as per our discussion regarding convolution, we have a result. What result we have? We have by convolution theorem, we have Laplace inverse of f bar of s into g bar of s is equal to integration of f of u into g of t minus u du, where u is equal to 0 to t, or this is equal to, because we know that convolution of f of t star g of t is equal to convolution of g of t star f of t. So it is integration of f of t minus u into g of u with respect to u between u equal to 0 to t. Means if you take this result, this result can be written as Laplace inverse. If it is been taken to the other end, then it becomes Laplace transformation of integration of f of t minus u into g of u with respect to u, where u is equal to 0 to t, which is equal to f bar of s into g bar of s. F bar of s into g bar of s. Fine. I'll be taking it as equation number 1. If you compare this result with given thing, Laplace transformation of this bracket and Laplace transformation of this bracket. Okay, what I do, I will call it as equation number 1 and this will be taken as 2. Compare equation number 1 and 2. Then what happens? We can see f of t minus u is equal to t minus u, and g of u is equal to sine 2u, right? Sine 2u. Then we need to make it f of t. So replace t minus u by t. Then it becomes f of t is equal to t. Apply Laplace on both sides. Then Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of t. This is nothing but f bar of s, which will be equal to 1 divided by s square. Fine, 1 divided by s square. Similarly, here g of u is equal to sine of 2u. Therefore, apply Laplace on both sides. Then make it t. Means it is g of u. G of u is equal to this, but g of t is equal to sine 2t. Therefore, Laplace transform of g of t is equal to Laplace transform of sine 2t. Therefore, Laplace transform of g of t is nothing but g bar of s, which is equal to Laplace transformation of sine 2t is nothing but 2 divided by s square plus 4. Fine. Therefore, from equation number 2, from this result, Laplace transformation of, which we need to calculate, from u to t, f of t minus u into g of u with respect to u is equal to f bar of s into g bar of s. So here we got f bar of s. F bar of s is nothing but 1 divided by s square into 2 divided by s square plus 4. Therefore, Laplace transform of integration from u equal to 0 to t f of t minus u into g of u with respect to u is equal to 2 divided by s square into s square plus 4. So